Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Nathaniel Chu is proudly representing the Philippines in the prestigious Mr. Earth International 2024 competition, set to take place in Santa Marta, Colombia next month. At 29 years old, Nathaniel combines his expertise as a mining engineer with his passion for education as a college professor, making him a unique advocate for sustainability. His motivation for entering the competition stems from a desire to leverage his global platform to promote environmental awareness and conservation efforts. Nathaniel believes that winning this title would provide invaluable networking opportunities with organizations focused on ecological initiatives, thereby amplifying his impact in the field. With a deep understanding of the balance between industrial practices and environmental responsibility, Nathaniel is committed for educating others about sustainable approaches. He aims to inspire individuals and communities to take proactive steps toward environmental stewardship. And through Mr. Earth International, he hopes to lead initiatives that address critical issues such as climate change and biodiversity loss, ultimately fostering a collective movement toward a sustainable future for generations to come. Nathaniel is dedicated to being a catalyst for positive change, and he invites everyone to join him on this vital journey. And why does he want to be a Mr. Earth International 2024? He aspires to be Mr. Earth International because he aims to use this global avenue to inspire and to lead initiatives that promote sustainability and conservation worldwide. And for him, winning this pageant would open up networking opportunities and potential partnership with the organizations focused on environmental causes, thus enhancing his ability to make a meaningful impact on environmental conservation and inspire others to do the same.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!